Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 8th chapter, text number 19, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 5th of July, 1974, in Chicago, Illinois.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam Maya Jabanikachanya Magyadu Akhajam Abbayam Nalakshasi Muradrisha Nato Natradharu Jatha. So, Krishna is covered by a curtain. Maya Javanika. Javanika means curtain. And Maya, deluding. We have explained yesterday that Krishna is existing outside and inside. Outside, inside is existing Ishara Sarvabhutana, Riddesa, pointing out. Riddesa means this heart, the Lord is living, Ishara. Not only within the heart, but within the atom also. As is stated in the Brahma Samhita, Eka pasau rachayatum jagadanna koti jat shakti rasti jagadanna chaya jadantam annantarastang paramanu chayantaras Govindam adi purusham tamam. Govinda, because he has entered within this universe, therefore the cosmic manifestation is possible. Otherwise, it is not. Just like I am the soul, you are the soul, because you have entered this body, or I am entered this body. Therefore, the movement of the body is possible. As soon as I or you leave this body, it is dull, no movement. It is very easy to understand. Similarly, how the movement of the cosmic manifestation is going on. The so-called scientists, philosophers, rascals, they do not understand because Krishna has entered. It is very easy to understand. I am part and parcel of Krishna, very minute part. Still, because I have entered this body, therefore the body is moving. The activities of the body going on. This is very difficult to understand. So, anyone can understand that this lump of matter, big cosmic manifestation, until a thing like me, so, is there, how it is going on nicely. How the sun is rising in due time, the moon is rising in due time, the oceans are flowing in due order, everything is in order. We have to understand by the symptom. It requires little brain. Just like as soon as in the morning you see no more darkness, it is now, there is light. Immediately you can understand there is sun. Sunlight is there. Similarly, as soon as you see the world order is going on very nicely, there must be God. Maya dhakshena pragiti suyati sacharataram. Under my direction, Krishna says. He personally says, and if you have got intelligence, you should understand also. But if you are dull rascal, then you cannot understand. Therefore, here it is said, you dull rascal, you do not know that Krishna is covered by a curtain given by Maya. That is stated in Bhagavad Gita also. Naham prakasa sarvasya yoga maya samavrita. So you have to acquire that knowledge, how to understand the existence of God, Krishna, everywhere, inside and outside. So Kunti Devi says that you are within and outside. Krishna is within your heart, and Krishna is outside also. Otherwise, how this big cosmic manifestation is going on? Not only that, he is everywhere, even within the atom. Annantarastham paramanasa. But still, we cannot understand where is Krishna. This is our misfortune. Duskitina mudha. They cannot understand. Why they cannot understand? Because they are duskitina, always engaged in sinful activities. Who can see Krishna? Who is not sinful? Jisham antagatam papam. One who has finished his life of sinful activities, he can understand Krishna. Therefore, it is our request to everyone, please do not commit these 4 kinds of sinful activities. Illicit sex, meat eating, gambling and intoxication. This is the preliminary qualification to understand God. Especially, one must not kill animals. In the Bible also, therefore it is said, thou shalt not kill. You rascal, if you want to understand what is God, you must stop this killing art. Thou shalt not kill. But these rascals will not understand. This is the misfortune. And therefore, God is always covered to their eyes. Kunti Devi therefore said, Maya javanika achanna. Maya javanika achanna. Agga means rascal, who has no knowledge, dull-headed, mura, ass. These words are used in the Shastra. Why? Mura, the word is used as an ass. The ass amongst the animals is the most, I would say, what is called? Foolish. Most foolish. The ass works very hard and bears burden, heavy burden, tons. But he does not know why I am carrying so big burden. Why I have taken so much responsibility. That he does not know. So here we will find so many big politicians and leaders, they have accepted big burden like an ass, but they do not know why they are doing so. They do not know. Their only solace is a temporary satisfaction that I have become president, I have become this master, and I have become this for a few years. But he does not know what is his real business. So therefore, the Kurmis, they are working hard, day and night, but he does not know why he is working so hard, day and night. So, actually they are working so hard simply for sense gratification, that's all. Therefore Shastra says, Nayang deha dehu bhajang niloki kastan kaman arahati virujang ji. Shastra Rishabdev says that this body, this is also material body. But there is distinction between this body and the dog's body or the hog's body. The hog is, with this material body, is working day and night. Where is stool? Where is stool? That is his business. As soon as he gets some stool, he eats and is satisfied. Now my labor is satisfied. Similarly, those who are working very hard day and night simply for sense gratification, they are no better than the hogs and dogs. Nayana deho deho hajang niloki kastanakam. He does not know why I have got this first-class body, human body, civilized body. What is my business? Not for eating meat and gambling and intoxication. It is for self-realization, to understand what I am, what is God, what is my relationship with God, and what is the aim of my life. It is meant for them, but they do not know. And because they do not know, asses, muras, Krishna says, namang dusitanam mura, they will not accept the existence of God. Although God is inside and outside. This is the description of the mudha. Here it is said, agya. Agya means ignorant. And what is called Krishna? Krishna is adhokhajam. Adhokhajam. Adhakrita. Adhakrita means subdued. Akhaja. Our knowledge, direct perception. We are very much proud of our eyes, akhya. So, Krishna's another name is adhokhaja, where your eyesight fails to see you. See Krishna. Therefore is adhokhaja. Akhaja jnanam. Knowledge received through direct perception of the senses is called akhaja jnana. And Krishna is adhokhaja, where knowledge by direct perception cannot reach. And perfection of life is when you become attached to that adhokhaja. Peace will be possible when you develop your loving propensity for the adhokhaja, who is beyond your sense perception. Therefore, those who are duskitina, mudha, many languages have been used in the Vedas. They do not know what is the aim of life. They are simply thinking, I am this body. Then this kind of thought is there in the dogs and cats also. He is also thinking, I am this body. So, this modern civilization is big dog civilization, that's all. It is not human civilization. Human civilization means that he must be interested to know Krishna and God. That is human civilization. So, Maya javanika achanya agya adhokhajam abhayam. Abhayam means imperishable. Abhayam na lakshasi, they cannot see. Na lakshasi. Observed, cannot be observed by them. Na lakshasi. Mudha, again the same word is used. Mudha. Namang dusitana mudha. Abhijananti mang mudha. This word is used. One who does not know what is God and what is his relationship with God is mudha. In so many places and so many shastras you will find this word mudha. Here it is said, na lakshasi mudha. Mudha drisha. Whose sense perception is just like blind man. A blind man is given an elephant. Now, Mr. Blind Man, just understand what is this. So, he is blind, he simply, I would say, move his hand over the leg. Sir, it is a column. It is a big column. So blind man, he cannot see, he thought that elephant is mean big column. So anyone who is speculating about God is the blind man studying the elephant, like that. Or the frog in the well studying Atlantic Ocean. What he will understand? Suppose a frog is informed, Mr. Frog, Dr. Frog, I have seen a big, vast mass of water. What is that? Atlantic Ocean. How big is it? Very, very big. Huh? Maybe he is in the 3 feet, 4 feet. No, very big. 5 feet. No, very big. 6 feet. How will you understand the Atlantic Ocean? He can simply imagine, maybe 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, but beyond all feet, that he cannot understand. Because the Mura Drisha is direct perception and he is a rascal. So by mental speculation, so-called big philosophers, they cannot understand Krishna. Krishna can be understood by the mercy of Krishna. By the mercy of Krishna. Krishna comes, Krishna is visible. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena. When you are trained up how to love God, Krishna, then Krishna will reveal himself and you will see. Premanjana churita, not with these eyes, but another eyes. What is that eyes? Premanjana, love, the ointment of love. When it is smeared in your eyes, then you can see. Just like there is medicine, eye ointment or surma, in India it is called surma. Sometimes you apply your vision becomes very clean, and you can see things very nicely. So we have to cleanse our eyes to see Krishna by the ointment of love of Krishna. Premanjana churita bhakti vila santa. Then when you are saintly person, santa sadaiva hridayeshu vilokan. Hridayeshu is already indicated in the Shastra that God is situated within your heart. So then when your eyes are clear, then you can see hridayeshu always existing. But so long you are murhadrisha, you are mental speculator, the curtain is covered. The covering is there, you cannot see Krishna. Maya javanika achanna agya adhukha jamabhayam na lakshasi. You are not visible, muradisha, by persons who are rascal and simply believe in direct perception. Muradisha. How it is? In Sanskrit language we will find exact example is given. Nato natu dharojata. Just like you have gone to see a performance, dramatic performance, and some of your relatives, say your brother or father is playing there. But he is dressed in such a way that you cannot recognize he is your father. Although he is in your front. The father or the brother whom you see every day, this man has dressed himself in such a way, is playing the part of a king or something else, you cannot understand. Somebody says, do you see your father is playing? Where is my father? Where is my father? This is the point. Because Krishna is playing his part in a different way. He has got so much business because he is directing the whole universal affair. You can understand, if one man becomes busy in so many things, his brain becomes puzzled. But Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. Not only the human being, the animals, the trees, plants, everyone. Ishara sarva bhutana. And what he is doing? He is giving direction. Sarvasya chaham vidishan nivishta. Krishna says, I am sitting in everyone's heart. Sarvasya cha aham ridhi, again ridhi, in the soul, in the heart. Matta smriti jnanam apohanch. I am giving particular direction to everyone. He is forgetting something, he is reminded something, in this way Krishna is doing. Sarvasya chaham ridhi sannivishta matta smriti jnanam apohanch. How much busy is that? The thief wants to steal something, somebody's house. So he is also praying, God, please give me some opportunity so that I can steal. So Krishna is giving him direction, all right, you steal in this way. And the same person in whose house the stealing will be committed, he is also praying, my dear Krishna, please protect me from thieves. So he is also giving. Let us see Krishna's business. He is giving direction to the thief and giving direction to the person in whose house the stealing will be committed. So you just try to understand how much Krishna is busy. And that is God. Although he is performing so many contradictory business, opposing business, still his cool brain, he does not forget to dance with the gopis at the same time. This is Krishna. This is Krishna. If you are busy with so many transactions, you forget to see your wife and children and forget. But no, Krishna, Goloke Yovani Vasati Okhilatma Bhuta. Although he is busy dancing with the gopis, although he is busy to play with his coward friends, Goloka Evani Vasati, in this way he is living in the Goloka, Akhilatma Bhuta, still he is everyone's heart and giving direction or contradiction. This is Krishna. Don't try to imitate Krishna rascal. Krishna is not so easy. Krishna is Krishna, you are. That is real philosophy. Thank you very much.